Being as clumsy as I am while also experiencing some sort of gravitational pull towards hot objects has left me pretty vulnerable to burning myself. It is in these experiences that I've noticed one interesting thing. When touching, say, a scalding hot cookie pan barehandedly, I sometimes experience a flash of cold temperature before the later burn. This sensation very fittingly is termed paradoxical cold, which is defined as the misperception of cold when the skin is exposed to painfully warm stimuli. Our skin contains thermoreceptors, a specialized type of sensory neuron that relays information on the temperature of one's environment to the central nervous system. Broadly speaking, there are two types of thermoreceptors, those that detect hot temperatures and those that detect cold temperatures. However, the speed at which information on hot and cold sensations travels to the brain differs. The nerve fibers that relay information on cold temperatures are myelinated and have a larger diameter than those that transport information on hot temperatures. As a consequence, information from cold thermoreceptors is transported about 25 times faster to the brain than information from hot thermoreceptors. Now, when exposed to painfully hot temperatures, sometimes both our hot and cold thermoreceptors end up being triggered at the same time. And due to cold sensations being transported to the brain faster, this can explain that brief chill before a painful hot sensation. Additionally, certain thermoreceptors can activate at both cold and painfully hot temperatures, which provides further evidence for paradoxical cold. There is some debate as to whether paradoxical cold is simply a physiological malfunction or perhaps an important mechanism to protect the body from damage. Not only is there a much greater number of cold thermoreceptors than hot ones, but information from cold thermoreceptors travels through faster signaling pathways, suggesting that paradoxical colds may not exactly be a malfunction, but rather an advantage.